Hey guys, good morning. Andy here with Expert Renovation. We're out in beautiful Jones County. Got the whole crew here doing the deck, covered deck edition. This home is going to be a full-length deck. We're going to have a 12-foot offset down the end where Isaiah and Benjamin are. The main deck is going to be 10 feet wide. The gravel scraped back, the old deck's off. Here's our blueprint. We're gonna have a ramp on this end, 6-foot steps, low slope roof system. We're then gonna re-roof the house. Builders First Source had all the materials out here yesterday. Gonna be exposed roof framing, so we're gonna use CDX plywood for the decking, a little nicer look. Put the Kubota to work, pulling this gravel back out of the way. The guys are getting the layout done, and we'll be making progress. We're able to move the old decks out of the way so the homeowner can reuse them. Our goal today is to get these footings dug, concrete placed, start getting our framework installed. Thank you for watching. Call us so we can help you out with your projects, 478-501-0102. And don't forget to subscribe.